Hello and welcome to the Bodies of Work section of the Notion for Artists template. Here is a continuation of the second phase of the studio practice section. The first phase was focused on managing and creating a piece of work. The second part is about the inventory and the next steps for your artwork. Now that we've already seen our finished pieces and portfolio, it's a good time to sort any pieces into corresponding bodies of work. Now, in some cases, pieces won't become bodies of work. They could be one-offs, commissions, or just pieces that don't quite fit. So, here in this first section, we have a sorting view, where you can see all finished pieces and even pieces still in progress that have not been assigned any bodies of work. So that means you have not previously selected one of these tags. You can select this by going in and changing the property, or simply drag the piece to the corresponding body of work. If it does not fit into one, you can keep it in other, or add additional bodies of work by pressing the new group and typing in the name for a new body of work. Then you can see in gallery views the different bodies of work in one piece to get an overview and understanding of their progress. Are they complete, are they incomplete? And be able to take a more macro look at your different bodies of work. So we hope this helps you in the process of not just managing your work, but understanding and leveraging yourself in your practice for more opportunities and a more sustainable and successful art business. Thanks. Bye-bye.